Here's how you can easily remove beam covers. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Haven Everly. I'm an actress, singer, and your new DIY homepreneur, sharing with you my journey of renovating my home. But wait, be sure you like and subscribe. That way you can grow on the channel with me. Demoing anything can be scary, especially if you've never done it before. Trust me, I would know. I'll give you the inside scoop of how I tear down the old beam coverings in my family room. Here's a list of the tools you'll need. 5-in-1, pry bar, ladder, tool belt, comfortable clothing, and muscle strength. First, you're gonna take your ladder and put it under the beam. Not directly under it, but in an angle. It's important to have the right positioning, that way you have enough wiggle room to pull out the wood. Once you have your ladder in a good position, you wanna take your 5-in-1 from your tool belt and you wanna place it in the crevice of the trim or the wood. Now, it's better to start at the edge of the beam, that way you have enough space to really pull the beam out. Once you feel like your 5-in-1 is firmly placed in the crevice of the trim or the wood, you want to take your pry bar from your tool belt and you want to put it on the tiny spaces in between the 5-in-1 and really assist in opening up those spaces. Here's a helpful tip. Make sure your 5-in-1 is not directly under a nail. Have it firmly placed under the trim or under the wood, and that way you can really pull that wood out. What I learned from this experience is that taking out wood or trim or beam coverings is a balancing act. You want to find a good opening with your 5-in-1 and your pry bar and slowly pull out the nails from the base. Eventually, once you pull it out enough, you can just rip it out completely. I just would be cautious of getting splinters. Here's what the beams look like before, and here's what the beams look like after. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, that way you can see part 2 of renovating my beams.